My name is Nick, and if you're looking to improve your skills in the kitchen, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. New videos every week. In this video, we're making a chocolate cake. This will be the easiest chocolate cake and the fastest chocolate cake you've ever made. No need for cake pans, no need for an oven. All you need, microwave. I don't know why I did that. The reason I'm making this, when a pregnant woman has a craving for something, they have to have it, and they have to have it quickly. So one night, my wife had a craving for chocolate, wanted a chocolate cake. I said, oh, make brownies, make something. No, that's gonna take too long. Need something, just something quick. Just make something quick. Grab the mug, all the ingredients in here. Less than 2 minutes, you got a chocolate cake. Everything goes right in here, right in the microwave, done. And the best part, it's even gluten-free. Tastes delicious. Let me show you just how easy this is to make. So I just got a measuring cup here. Put our mug aside. We're gonna put 1/4 cup of almond flour right in there. We got 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. This happens to be a dark cocoa powder, but regular cocoa powder works just as well. Show you just how quickly this comes together. Nice teaspoon coconut oil, teaspoon of vanilla. We'll sweeten it up with 2 tablespoons of good honey. We'll just crack in a whole egg. Bring out the chocolate flavor. Pinch of espresso powder. Just whisk all that together. I probably should get a smaller whisk. I'll make a mental note of that. Probably could just use a fork. And then we'll just fold in 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. These are dark chocolate chips. Put this in our mug. Make sure your mug is microwave safe. I guess this is considered, is microwave considered baking? I think it is technically microwave oven, so this is technically baking. All right, I'm putting this in the microwave, 1:40 seconds. You want a more fudgy, chewy texture, go closer to a minute. If you want it more cakey, closer to 2 minutes. I'm going 1:40. Let's see how it comes out. All right, there it is, 1:40 in the oven. That looks pretty good right there. Now, just to finish it off, get some more chocolate flavor. Got my homemade chocolate sauce here. I'll give you a link to that video. Check it out. Super easy chocolate sauce to make. Spoon a little bit of that on top. A little bit of powdered sugar. And that's it. You got a beautiful, easy chocolate treat right in a mug, right in the microwave, super quick. I'm gonna have to try this. Look at that. For a quick cake, right in your mug, less than 2 minutes in the microwave, that's awesome. Craving a quick chocolate treat? This is the way to go. Give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell. See you next time.